Hello friends, today we'll discuss about users, devices, discovery methods, boundaries, boundary group. When you click on assets and compliance and when you clicked on users, devices, okay, you will see the some in the devices all client machines and users all user group information. How this SCCM fetched into this device and users information, how it will fetch from where. Okay, so we will check these things. First of all I will tell you some theory. What is boundary? Boundary defined in network location, which helps SCCM identify the client location. Okay. In boundary, we can specify the IP range or IP subnet range or AT, active directory site information, so that it can fetch from active directory where we create active directory site and services. Okay, that means boundary tells SCCM where the devices belongs. Okay, once boundary we have created boundary and defined the range, then through discovery method it will fetch the information into users and devices. Okay, why boundary is required? Assigned site to client helps identify client location. Boundary alone does nothing without boundary group. Okay, only we have created boundary, we have specified the range where the SCCM fetch the device or user information, but alone it will not work. Okay, clients need packages, client needs soft update, so where it will detect, where it will fetched for this information, so that in the boundary group we have to define DP location. Okay, that's why boundary group is required. Boundary group is a collection of boundaries, contains distribution point and used for content location. Simple. In simple define, boundary group tells from where content will download. Okay, first of all you have to create boundaries, define the range. Okay, then create a boundary group. Means in the boundary group you are specifying the range and DP information, so that client will detect these things. Boundary versus boundary group. Boundary identify the network, cannot deliver content alone, so we have to configure boundary group, assign DP and site, and mandatory for deployment. Now, what is discovery method? Once you created boundary, then the discovery method means once discovery method run, it will fetch the users and device information. Okay, and it will check also the device is active or inactive. Okay, discovery finds device and users, add them SCCM database. Discovery tells SCCM what exists in environment. Type of discovery method. For systems, AD system discovery. For users, AD user discovery. For group, AD group discovery. And for forest discovery. And for network discovery. Why discovery is needed? Create collection. Once SCCM fetch the information from defined sites and collect information into users and devices, then in the devices you create collection. Okay, collection of users, collection of devices. Okay, so that you can deploy the software updates. Okay, if you run the discovery method, then you also check the logs as well. For system discovery, AD sysdis.log. For user discovery, AD usr disk log. Group discovery, adsg.log. Forest, AD forest disk.log. As for network, netdisk.log. Okay. The simpleton. Boundary network location, boundary group content source, where it will fetch the content information from DP. Discovery, find devices and users. This is a simpleton. Okay. Devices, every device which connect with the domain, it will reflect here. If it does not reflect here, just run the discovery method for system discovery. Right click, run. Food discovery now. Yes. Okay. Same for users. Same for groups. Same for forest. And same for heartbeat discovery. Okay. Which machine is active or inactive. Okay. Boundary, specify the boundary group. You can create boundary and add the boundary group. Okay, you can create boundary group and add the boundaries and define the DP location. This is my boundary group. Okay, let me open my boundary group. Okay, this is the boundary which I did. Size system servers. Okay. Once devices reflected here, users reflected here, then you can create a collection. Okay, then you can create a collection, create device collection, test. You can specify limited collection, which is all. Then next, then you can specify the client information, client 1, whatever you client you have to add, just add it. Okay, okay, now collection is created. refresh it. Okay, test. In the test we have added 3 clients. Hope easily you understand these things. Thank you.